morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well, today we're gonna use the MOTOSCAN app because I changed the rear light from a bulb version to a LED version, LED. But guys, this light is triggering a fault code on the dash. I'm gonna show you how you can prevent that from happening with the MOTOSCAN app, of course. First, see, that's the light. And now, gonna get you closer. As you can see now, when I apply the brake light, watch, like this, oh, I instantly get a fault code. It says lamp. As you noticed guys, the fault code is only triggered when I apply the brake. When the brake light is coming on, the unit that measures the current that a bulb draws way too less current. So it says, hey, that light is faulty, the bulb is dead. So the normal driving light is not triggering a fault code. So that is within the specs of the CAN bus system, but the brake light isn't. And I'm going to solve that with the MOTOSCAN app. So come on over and we start. Now guys, the first thing we're going to do, take the buddy seat off, okay. Over here is the diagnostic connector. Get the cap off. Then we have this very special cable. Guys, all the parts you need to do this, look in the description and you can find links to it. Okay. Then we have the Unicar scan, the UCSI 2100, and it's a Bluetooth interface. We're gonna connect it over there. A red light is already shining. It means we got 12 volts over there, so that's good. First thing we're going to do is put the bike on ignition. Check. Then wait for the Atari to finish. Okay. Then I'm going to take my phone. Onto there is the MOTOSCAN app. And guys, if you have a Beamer and you want to do simple maintenance, buy the MOTOSCAN app. It costs everything together somewhere just over 100 euros. If you bring your bike one time to a dealer to, for instance, reset your service reminder after you did an oil change, costs you more. And with the MOTOSCAN app, you just need an Android phone. If you have an Apple, buy the cheapest Android phone you can get, put the MOTOSCAN app onto it, and you're good to go. And guys, look over there. I'm gonna open the MOTOSCAN app. Meanwhile, as you can see, I have the MOTOSCAN app Ultimate. And you can do endless amount of bikes. resetting, looking at fault codes. All your friends, when they did an oil change, you can get over there and reset the service reminder. No need to spend extra money because you can't do more than 10 bikes. The MOTOSCAN app is limitless. You get updates for free. I love it. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is do an adapter check. I always do that. Try BT1, Unicar scan found, copy it there. And then we have 3 times ja, which means yes. And it's in green. Green is always good, I think. Then we go back. This baby is an F series and it's the GT, F800GT. Then we go to Central Chassis Electronics, ZFE, which stands for Central Fahrzeugelektronik, I think, in German. Okay. Then read trouble codes. See? It says remlicht, which means brake light. There is a problem. 1 trouble code. Okay. We're gonna clear it. Clear the trouble codes. Trouble codes cleared. Okay, let's have a look. Read trouble codes. Okay. And now we go to coding. And here you can code about everything on the bike. So guys, be careful. I don't take responsibility when you screw up. So keep that in mind. These are all the settings and there are a lot. Very cryptic. So be sure that you know what you are doing. Because you can do a lot of damage on the electronics with these settings. We're gonna scroll down. Rear light. You should think that to solve this problem it would be in the rear light, but it isn't. Nope. It took me quite a while to figure out which settings to change to make the bike know that this is a LED brake light. We go to configuration, and when you scroll further down you have a setting LED KL54 output, and it's now deactivated, and I'm gonna set it to activated. Okay, then I say perform coding. Then it's now coding. The bike restarts, as you can see in a moment. See? The headlight flashes. It restarts. Okay. Then go back, go back, go back. Okay. Put the bike off ignition. We wait. Yeah, half a minute or so, something like this. Wait for the Atari. And now, when I squeeze the brake light, I don't have a fault code anymore. And wait a minute, I'm gonna first take the camera. So. See, I squeeze the brake. There you can see it. See? Go back to here, look at the dash. You can hear me squeezing it, and there is no fault code anymore. So, that's good. Okay, then, what are we going to do now? Now, let's see. Put the bike again on ignition. Open the MOTOSCAN app. Go to the F series, F800GT. Central chassis electronics. And we're going to read the trouble code to see if it has generated a trouble code. Nope. Check. So, let's go back. We're gonna close the MOTOSCAN app. Okay. Have it done. Then. Now guys, this was my video. How you can prevent a fault code when you change your rear light for a LED version instead of the bulb. I used the MOTOSCAN app, which is absolute great. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a few things, and if you did, consider a subscription. I really would appreciate that. And give me thumbs up. Very good for the YouTube algorithm. Push the notification button so you get a notification right away when I have a new update on my channel. So, hope to see you the next time. And for now, old mechanic.